Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Cancer Placements. This is your love reading pagdating sa outcome, okay, ng inyong mga person. Oh, 'di ba mga? Oo. Okay, sa person you're dealing with, okay? So, let's see. Siyempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And yes, syempre, kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, sa ating mga evil eye items, sa ating sa ating love bracelet, sa ating granter, sa ating new item, pagdating sa cleansing, yes, yeah. Message lang po kayo. Okay, and if you're interested magpa-private read kay Perception of Light, just message lang po, no, sa kanya pong FB page. And sa mga naghahanap naman ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi naman po tayo magme-message, okay? So, yeah, Cancer. Let's see. Who is the person on your mind? Okay. Titingnan natin, ha? Okay. Kung ano magiging outcome ninyo ngayong September pagdating sa mga sitwasyon ninyo. Okay? Sa ngayon. Okay. Cancer, who is the person on your mind? Okay. Lagay natin to. Ano, diba? Cancer, the person on your mind, anong meron sa kanya? The Five of Pentacles in reverse, pwedeng earth sign. Okay. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. What's with the Five of Pentacles in reverse? Diba? Gulat na gulat. Oh, the Ace of Pentacles. The grass wasn't greener on the other side. I think this person nakikipagbalikan sa'yo. Gusto niya ng new beginning with you. Or maybe you want a new beginning with this person. Pwedeng earth sign. Big earth sign placement. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. May nag-reach out dito actually. Okay? May nag-reach out dito. Anong situation nyo ngayon? Tingnan natin. Okay. Some of them may pera. Sa totoo lang. Okay? Mga specific po yun, ha? Kung anong meron sa taong yan. Okay? Kung alam mong yung person mo is wala, then don't claim it. Hindi yun para sa'yo. Okay? Pero meron akong mga nakukuha ng energy na ganun. Like may pera siya. May mga business or maybe meron siyang sabihin natin, yeah, financially stable. May chance na ganun. Okay? Let's see. Some of you may binigay sa iyo to or something like generous tong taong to, hindi siya madamot. Okay, so that specific, hindi yun para sa lahat. So let's see, ano bang situation ninyo ngayon, Cancer? Anong situation ninyo? Oh, the Two of Pentacles. Ang lakas ng earth sign dito, ah. What's with this Two of Pentacles? May juggler. Or may binabalanse. Okay, what's with the Two of Pentacles? The Queen of Cups in reversed. The Ten of Pentacles. The Five of Wands. There is drama here. I don't know. Ang nakukuha ko rito, kanino ko ba ibibigay yung emosyon ko? Kanino ako magiging open? Something like that. Or sabihin natin someone is feeling, or sabihin natin ang pakaramdam nila is para silang option. I don't know why. What's with the Queen of Cups in reversed? Why is that? Queen of Cups in reversed. Again, the Ten of Pentacles. Some of you, you're waiting for this person. Okay? I'm seeing na itong taong to, hindi ko alam, ha, kung ano bang uunahin niya. Someone is confused, or maybe this person is giving you confusion, like whether mahal ba niya ako, or ano ba ang gusto niyang unahin, pera niya or kami. Kasi pagja-juggle akong nakukuha pagdating sa sitwasyon. Okay? Maybe someone is not totally invested pagdating sa emosyon, or someone is like, sabihin natin, hindi totally nagiging open or transparent pagdating sa emotion. Okay? Iba sa inyo ang inaatupag nito, puro career, puro trabaho. Okay, pero they want a new beginning with you. Or maybe ikaw ang may gusto na magkaroon kayo ng new beginning, pero I think this person is hindi kanya may prioritized. Okay? Parang ganun. Ano bang nangyari sa past? Let's see. Silipin natin, ha? Okay, Cancer. Ano bang nangyari sa past? Ano bang meron sa past? The Hanged Man in reverse. Meron ditong bumitaw or lumayo or umalis. Okay? Why? Why the Hanged Man in reversed? Ooh. Is there third party involvement? Kasi the Ten of Pentacles is his family. Some of you, pwedeng may anak to. Okay? And I think, hindi mo maramdaman na pinapriority ka kasi pwedeng mas inuuna nyo yung anak niya. Pero yes! You want a new beginning, oo. Pagdating sa inyo. Okay? May mga responsibilities tong taong to. May mga commitments siya. Before, I think, ang nakuha ko dito, maybe you, Cancer, ang umalis sa sitwasyon. Kasi, sabihin natin, wala ka nakikitang progress. Okay? Pero, I don't know, pwedeng nakukuha mo sa taong to na siya yung para sa'yo, or siya yung nakikita mo na gusto mo makasama forever. Mga ganun. Okay? Pero binitawan mo to before. I think, binitawan mo to before, pero ngayon gusto mo na ulit. Parang ganun. Okay? You want to commit. Yeah, the Ten of Swords is in the reverse. This is a repeat or maybe a return. Okay? So, what is their emotion? Their current emotion. True emotion. Okay? Deep down. For you, Cancer, what is their emotion? Feelings. The King of Pentacles in reversed. Okay, some of them, they're self-centered. Yeah. Parang ganun. Self-centered. Hang on, sandali lang po, ha? Okay, so, let's continue the reading. Okay, nasa na ba tayo? Emotion, the King of Pentacles in reverse. Some of them, they're self-centered. Self-centered. Why the King of Pentacles in reverse? Some of you might be dealing with a Capricorn. Pisces, andyan din. Okay, what's with this King of Pentacles in reverse? The Four of Wands in reverse. Some of them, hindi sila handang makipagrelasyon talaga. Okay? Or maybe they want someone na pwedeng parang magsasagip sa kanya. Okay? Parang ganon. Like, kung nakikipag-connect sa'yo to, ang focus nito is sa kanya rin. Okay? Yung intention, ang gusto nito maging resulta is papunta rin sa kanya. Okay? Like that. Okay? Pero eventually, nakakuha ko, being the King of Pentacles in reverse and the Four of Wands in reversed, iniisip rin kasi niya yung sabihin nating magiging future niya. Okay? Some of them may anak talaga to. Okay? May anak na. May nangyaring past, may nangyaring ending sa past niya. Something like hindi stable. Okay? So, sa ngayon, iniisip nito yung sarili niya sa totoo lang. Okay? Pang sarili. I think. So, kung hindi mo nakikita itong taong to na napaprioritize ka, I think gusto lang din ito na muna is magkaroon ng, sabihin nating stability pagdating sa sarili rin. Okay? Yeah. Growth, I think. Sabihin nating pinaghahandaan lang niya. Totally. Okay? Yung sarili, yung kung anong mangyayari sa kanya, like that. Okay? Whether, sabihin natin kung hindi kayo mag-click, parang ganun, is handa siya. Like that. Okay? Hindi ko nakukuha yung bad intention ng taong to. Sa totoo lang. Hindi ko nakikitang bad yung intention niya. Okay? Yeah. The Two of Cups in reverse and the Star. emotionally, hindi siya ready, like, para makipag-connect. Okay? Mas uunahin nito yung stability niya, yung career, whatsoever, yung pinapriority niya, mga ganyan. Okay? So, anong next action niya towards you, Cancer? What is their next action towards you? The Nine of Pentacles. So, this is commitments. Okay? Ngayon, next action niya, magko-commit. Okay? The Nine of Pentacles in reversed. Why? The Seven of Pentacles in reverse, yeah, the Ace of Cups. So, I think matututunan ka rin nitong bigyan, no? Ng sabihin nating space. Okay? Pagdating sa emosyon, pagdating sa kanya. Okay? So, I think parang binabalanse muna nito eh. Kung anong sa tingin niyang mas importante, ayun ang uunahin. Pero kasama ka eh. Okay? Sa listahan ng pinaprioridad ng taong to. Sa totoo lang. Okay? Ayaw nito na magkakaroon ng missed opportunity sa tingin ko. Sa inyong dalawa, ayaw niya magkakaroon ng missed opportunity. Missed opportunity. Ayaw niya nun. Okay? Walang sasayanging oras to, siguro. Ang nakukuha ko rito. Okay? Eventually, mag-step up to or maybe makikita mo magkukumit sa'yo. Okay? The Ace of Cups, the Judgment in reversed. Okay? So, may makikita ka ng pagbabago pagdating sa emosyon or pagdating sa intention ng taong to. Okay? So, magiging straightforward na, I think. Okay, yeah, the Queen of Pentacles in reverse. So, we have a pair. I don't know kung kayo is sabihin natin may kailangan kayong i-workout sa sarili nyo. Both of you. Okay? Yeah. Both of you, I guess. Mayroon kailangang i-workout sa sarili. Okay? So, yeah. Anong outcome? / advice for Cancerians? Okay. For the month of September. Outcome, please. Okay, the Ten of Wands. So, this is pagkakaroon ng or pagiging hardworking. Okay, pagbibigay ng effort, I think, pag-workout. Okay, sa kung ano man ang kailangang i-workout or i-fix maybe. Okay, what's with the Ten of Wands? Yeah, the Eight of Wands in reverse. To avoid delays, to avoid sabihin nating pagkabansot, no? Oo, nung energy. Okay, kasi, yeah, ang daming, kailangang i-improve dito. Okay, so, maraming kailangang i-work out dito. Okay, sa sarili mo, sa sarili niya, I guess. Okay, and then eventually, dito sa connection. I think meron tong potential sa tingin ko. May potential dito. Okay, the Two of Wands is here. So, knowing okay, kung ano ba yung mga kailangang unahin, I think. Okay? So, may potential itong connection na to, sa totoo lang, mga Cancerian. Okay? Pero unahin kung ano yung mga importante. Avoid procrastinations. Avoid delays. Avoid pendings. Okay? Yeah. I-avoid nyo rin yung pagkakaroon ng blockage. Okay? Para mag-grow, I think. Yeah, the Seven of Cups in reversed. The Eight of Cups in reversed. This is an energy of talagang pagbalik eh. Okay? May mga i-fix. Yeah. Okay, this is maraming energy sa totoo lang, pero kukunin ko lang kung ano yung pinakamataas. Okay? Ayaw na muna natin sa mga third parties dyan. Yeah. Sabihin natin yung third party dito is something na nagbibigay ng delays or sabihin nating pagbagal, no? Sa energy. Yeah. Ayoko maging specific. Yun na lang. Something na nagbibigay ng parang para siyang anchor. Okay, dito sa relationship na to, kailangan yung alisin yung nagbibigay ng bigat para umusad. Okay? So, yun yung nakukuha ko dito. May potential. Itong connection na to, sa totoo lang. Okay? Yeah. Kailangan lang talagang i-fix yung mga issue. Kung ano man ang issue. Okay? So, yun lang. Huwag nyong parang hahayaan na hindi ayusin. Kasi hindi to mag-workout. Okay? Kung hindi nyo ipa-prioritize yung mga kailangang i-fix na issue dito, hindi mag-workout to. Sa totoo lang. Okay? So, tumungo na tayo sa all signs. Aries through Pisces. Okay. All signs for Cancerians. Okay. One more shuffle. One more. Ay, talaga naman. Magulo. Okay. Excuse me. Aries. Okay. So, there's immaturity. Okay. Some of them, takot sila sa commitments. Taurus. Okay. So, gusto na lang i-level up. Okay, yung connection na meron kayo. Some of you, if there's separation, mas ginugusto niya na maging single na muna sa ngayon and choosing, no, na magkaroon ng pagdistansya. Itong si Taurus. And Gemini, okay. Takot siyang mag-express ng emosyon. Some of you, itong Gemini na to is may crush sa'yo. Okay, pero they're feeling hopeless. I don't know why. Cancer. Okay, so I think meron ditong mga kailangan i-workout, lalo na pagdating sa past. Okay? Some of you, your past person is missing you. Okay? Leo. Okay, so they're not consistent. Some of them, they're unstable. So that's why hindi nila kayang move forward or gumawa ng action towards you. Virgo, okay, there's a lot of drama. Some of them, hindi na sila makatulog, okay? Hindi na makakain. Parang ganon. Ang daming drama. Some of them, takot sila. Okay? Natatakot sila. Libra, okay, they want something na sabihin nating totoo. Okay? Gusto nila ng katotohanan pagdating dyan sa inyong dalawa. Okay? This is like leveling up then. Okay? Going to the next level. Okay? Scorpio. Okay, they're holding back, but yeah, they need you. Okay, they're holding back, but they need you. Sagittarius. Okay. So, si Sagittarius natakot siyang may malaman. Okay? Meron din itong parang itinatago. Takot siya na parang ipaalam sa'yo kung ano man yun. Or sabihin natin, meron siyang takot na may malaman na kung ano. Okay? Capricorn. Okay. So, si Capricorn, sabihin natin, mas lumalalim yung emosyon niya pagdating sa'yo. Okay? Some of them magiging emotional pagdating sa komunikasyon. Okay? They want to communicate palagi. Aquarius, okay. They doesn't want any kind of drama or secrets, lies. Ayaw nila yun. Okay? Pisces, okay. Some of you have a stalker. You have a past person na nag-i-stalk sa'yo. They want to talk. Okay? They want to talk. They want to know things. Kung ano mang meron sa'yo ngayon. That is why. Okay? So, there, yun ang ating reading for you, Cancerian placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.